If you've been looking for a home that has room to grow, a private home office, a flexible game room, and an open concept that's perfect for entertaining, I think you're gonna like this one. This home is located in Montgomery, Texas, and is listed at $614,990. It features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 3,326 square feet of interior living space, a 3-car garage, and sits on just over half an acre. Now let's head inside and see what $615,000 gets you in Montgomery, Texas. Now guys, here you have your beautiful exterior, and this home is built by MI Homes. You're gonna have lots of greenery all around here, and you're gonna have all sides stucco and stone. Your garage will actually be off to the side of the house. So for those people who don't like the garage taking up too much of that front elevation, here it'll be off to the side. You can already see a small preview of your half-acre lot there. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. Now here we step inside, you have this small covered patio leading to your front door. And as soon as you step inside, you're gonna be greeted by your stairs and this wide foyer, which we will see that leads right into the living room. First of all, here in the front is located the work from home office behind these glass French doors. Pretty tall ceilings for a home office with views to the front. And you also see your first bedroom here. And you actually, one thing I want to point out is that these secondary bedrooms are all going to be a very good size, not something you see in lower priced homes. Now here is the first full bathroom. It's going to be a tub shower combo, and I love this tile that they added all the way up to the ceiling. You have a small storage space closet there, and stairs up to the second floor with some carpet. Now this wide foyer, which goes underneath the catwalk, under here the stairs, you will have a small coat closet there and a half bath for your guest. And I like that they added these cabinets a different color other than white, so it can stand out a bit more. And then right here, you have, again, more shelving space for anything you may need. At the end of the foyer, you're gonna be greeted by these high ceilings in your living room, which will have a gas log fireplace, an abundance of natural light, and views to your half-acre lot. As you can see, super open, and it connects into your formal dining and your beautiful, unique kitchen. You're gonna have this kind of trapezoid quartz island that has bar stool space all around, pendant lighting with these 3 fixtures here. And your kitchen is beautifully separated. So you have some appliances here, a fridge there, your built-in 5-burner stove, and then your sink with your island. Lots of cabinet space. You can see beautiful backsplash and underlighting. Over here in the corners where you're gonna find your mudroom, it has some coat hangers, shelving space, and of course your 3-car garage, which was located off to the sides, if you guys remember. Sprinkler system already included so that you can take care of your half-acre lot. And over here, you'll also find your washer and dryer, which will be included by MI Homes. And again, those nice weathered down brown cabinets and natural light. And here across from it, you'll find your walk-in pantry with a good amount of shelving space for your goods there. You can see very open, and then here you have your formal dining room. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of the main features of this house, being your lot size. Stepping it out, you have a covered patio here with 2 ceiling fans, some pre-wiring if you want to add anything in the future. And just take a look. You also have a gas line and some pre-wiring for any sinks you may want to add. Take a look at this, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Lots of space. And I love this farm style fence they added around, giving into that country feel. You can see you find brick on this side of the house as well, and gutters. Now this backyard actually extends off even a bit further over here. Lots of space on this house, guys. You can add a pool, you can add a shed, a playground for your kids, and your dogs will absolutely love it here. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the primary bedroom. which will be the second bedroom down here. Behind this corridor, you can see you have a bay window design, giving it a bit more space than if it was to end there, and plenty of windows to let in some natural light. You have these French doors leading into your primary bathroom, which will have a soak-in tub and an all-glass standalone shower, which will have a sitting area, as you can see. Turning around, lots of natural light, and you got 2 sinks, one for him, one for her, each with their own space. You have your private toilet and a very oversized closet. You have space to hang your clothes, and you have some shelving here for maybe watches, colognes, if you want to store shoes there. And you have this tile found throughout this whole area here. Super beautiful, guys. Here you get another view at those bay windows. Now that wraps up the first floor. Give you a bit overview of this whole living area here. Now let's go ahead and check upstairs, because I'm excited to show you the size of these secondary bedrooms, which compete with some people's primary, and I'm not joking. So first of all, you will find carpet here on the second floor. No carpet in that first floor, but up here you will. You're gonna have these railings, which allow you to view comfortably downstairs. You have this catwalk above your foyer, and up here you have your huge second living space / flex room that you may want to use for anything. You can see. Now walking through the catwalk, here will be the first, or actually the third total bedroom. As you can see, very good size for a secondary. You have your closet space here. Across from this one, you have your fourth. Take a look at this, very good size. This one has even more natural light coming in through those 3 windows, and this will be your closet. Now, in between these bedrooms, you have a full bath that they are able to share. As you can see, it has dual sinks for each bedroom, a large mirror, and a tub shower combo with that stone tile we've been finding in the bedrooms, and same colored cabinets. This is absolutely huge, and here you have extra storage space. Now guys, that is it for this beautiful home located in Montgomery, giving you tons of space for your family to grow into. You will find additional information about the community and the home itself down in the description with my contact if you would like to schedule a showing or would like more information. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.